9:15 a.m. market open. Bank Nifty future and option both chart calls will generate. It's an automatic call generator. From opening momentum till 12 o'clock, it's a bearish market. But after 12 o'clock, it's a bullish market. Market started to move in upper side direction. So buy call generator. Like this, automatically it will generate calls in live market. Today, buy call came at 12:25, 44,809. That straight white line from green color candle, our entry point line. 100 point first target, 200 point second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. To be exact, 44,809, our entry range. 921 is the first target, 112 point. Daily basis in live market, like this it will generate calls. You can watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible. For plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. First 2 times market tried to break out 44,850 range. That 2 times market came and reversed. But the third time it successfully achieved the first target. Like this today call generator and break out the target in Bank Nifty. In Nifty 1 minute chart, 19,541 buy call generator. 590 is the first target. It's almost 49 point first target range. After 2 hours of market momentum, it break out the first target. In Nifty and Bank Nifty, both buy call break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want to the plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.